Hello crafters, welcome to today's video from Created Home with G. Today I'm going to be doing the colour combo card for May, and the colours are blue, purple and grey. I recorded this in March because obviously with everything that's going on we don't know what's going to be happening with the world. I just want to say I hope everyone's okay out there. I'm not going to go into too much because I know YouTube are cutting back on when people are talking about it, so I just know that you're all in my thoughts and my prayers and everything, and just keep hold of your family. Right, I'm going to be using some mermaid stamp sets. I'm going to be using the Power Flowers stamp set, and I'm going to be using some of the Alpha stamps from May. I'm going to be using this one. This is Alpha Solid, and I'm going to be using this one, and this one is called Letterboard Love. But just to let you know that May also does this one, and this one is called Ginger Font. And May also does do a Mother's Day or a mum themed stamp set, because the card I'm making today is for Mother's Day. Mother's Day in the UK is in March, so that's why I'm recording this video in March, because this is going to be my Mother's Day card for my mum this year. And then it'll go out in May, and I know that in the US I believe Mother's Day is in May, I believe. But obviously this can be recreated for birthday. It can be recreated in multiple different colours, so you can use them throughout the year in different seasons. I'm going to be doing a 5x7 card. I have my grey 5x7 card insert. No, not card insert, my card base. So I'm sorry crafters, I'm just a bit all over the place at the moment. So this is a 5x7 card base. And then I have a blue 5x7 card insert, and then I have a white insert which is smaller still. I have a white piece of cardstock which is 1.5 inches by 5 inches, and I need to cut a piece of the blue 2 inches by 5 inches. So let me just do that quickly now. So this will be 2 inches, and this is just paper, it's not card. As I'm just using it as an inlay, I didn't need it to be overly thick or anything, so I wasn't bothered about using heavy cardstock. So eventually that's going to go on there like that, but we'll come to that later. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my background. So I have my panel and my card base. I have this plastic bag, which is one of those self-seal ones, and I'm going to use that, and I'm going to be using the Wild Violet Distress Oxide. I'm going to put some of that on this bag. I'm going to be using the Distress Oxide Broken China, and I'm going to be using the Distress Ink, and that's the Ice Spruce. Okay, and then onto those inks on the bag, I am going to spray some water. And I'm going to submerge my card base. That will give me my design for my card base. And then I'm going to submerge this insert, this panel here. Just using the rest of the ink that is on there, and I'm quickly going to dry both of these with my heat tool, so please bear with me. Okay, I just used my heat tool because I just wanted to speed up the process. If I wasn't recording a video, I would just leave them to dry naturally. Using the heat tool will warp your paper, but it doesn't really affect it too much. Okay, so putting this panel to one side, now we're going to work on our card insert, and we are going to use some of the images from the Power Flower stamp set. I'm going to be using the same inks, so I've got some images already mounted, and I'm going to stamp these on and off this designer paper, which in essence is what we have created. And I'm going to do the larger flower and the smaller flower. I'm just going to do them together as I've got the ink open. So moving on to the blue, so the larger blue flower, and the smaller blue flower, and then moving on to the grey, I'm going to use the leaves from the stamp set. So I'm using the green, sorry, not the green, the grey. In 2 sizes. Okay, so that's that done with all those stamping. Now around the edge, I'm going to go and use the broken china and a ink blending tool, and I'm going to go around the edges, and I'm going to ink around the edges. And I'm also going to do this one as I'm at this point. Okay. And the only thing that I'm going to stamp on this is Mum, and I use the uppercase M, the lowercase u and the lowercase m from the stamp sets I showed earlier. And I'm using the VersaFine black. I'm going to stamp Mum on this panel. Okay, let's bring the card bits and pieces over, and let's build this card. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is the first inlay. Now I've spoken to all the participants, and Miss Donna Jackson is back on YouTube now after her being away a while with her health, so she is now back. Now I believe that everybody has, almost everybody has pre-recorded their videos for a few months, so you should have their videos for this combo. We are going to stop. I mean, I should say we are, as I say, I'm recording this in May, and I did say to the other guys that we will stop doing the monthly competition for a while, because obviously postage and things like that is not easy to do at the moment, because some of us have to isolate because of health reasons, so it's not going to be easy for people to get out. So we're not going to be doing that. If it changes between now and then, obviously you'll know more in the group. So I'll obviously keep you all up to date. But currently, when I record this in March, we are putting the monthly competition on hold for a while. Okay, let's put this down. Using some little flat back gems from Poundland, I'm going to put some of the pinky purple ones on. And then on the inside, I'm not sure if I'm going to stamp a sentiment or I'm just going to write a message from my mum for Mother's Day. But obviously if you feel like you need to write stamp a sentiment, then please feel free to do so. Okay. that's that done, crafters. Let me bring over the other versions that I've done to show you. I've done one in the purple because I really enjoyed creating the background, so I've done quite a few. So here's one done in the purple on the left hand side rather than on the right hand side. And here are some other cards that I created. Here's some using some butterflies with the same background, same stamp set, same colours, same card base. Then you have this one here. I really enjoyed creating these card bases, this background paper, and then you can just stamp whatever you want inside them. But there we go, there's the video for this month's colour combo card challenge. As I say, unless it's different, I will put in the comments of this video if things are back to some sort of normality. But for the time being, we won't be doing the challenge competition on my Facebook group. But here is the card for this month. Thank you very much for joining me. Please take care, everyone, and hopefully you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.